Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to zoom the Insta360 X4. First, confirm battery and micro SD space so the camera won't interrupt. Connect your phone via Wi-Fi or USB-C and open the Insta360 app. Once paired, choose the lens mode. Pick single lens or telephoto for a tighter frame. You need to set resolution and frame rate now, because digital zoom behaves differently across settings. Make these choices first so the zoom you apply next preserves sharpness and minimizes. Now you'll perform the zoom while watching live view closely. Pinch to zoom on your phone or drag the on-screen slider for fine control. If you can, select the camera's optical crop like 2x or 4x first because it preserves detail. Otherwise, use digital zoom for larger magnification, but expect softness. While zooming, check exposure and focus. Once you increase zoom, noise and clipping are more likely, so nudge ISO down or open aperture to maintain image quality. Finish by locking focus and exposure, then record a short test clip and review at full resolution to confirm framing and detail. Make adjustments as needed. If you shot in 360, enable Insta360 stitching and stabilization in the app or studio to improve smoothness. If you encounter lag, distortion, or heavy noise, try rebooting the camera and app, reducing digital zoom, or lowering frame rate. These steps usually resolve artifacts and restore a clean zoomed image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.